Listening to wealth affirmations before bed can help us remove negative beliefs about wealth and plant seeds of prosperity in our subconscious. Now, please close your eyes and relax. Quietly listen to these affirmations. I am the creator of my life. I create all the material things and money I need. I can easily create wealth and various people, events, and things. I can easily attract money to come to me. Money flows to me naturally and endlessly. I am grateful for every bit of money that comes to me. I can wisely use and manage money. I appreciate the wealth circulating in my life, bringing me a beautiful life. I use wisdom and talent to create wealth. I can create all the wealth I need because I am a divine creator. I am destined to succeed. I deserve to have all the wealth I desire. Wealth and money flow to me continuously. Wealth comes to me in various forms, maybe people, objects, money, or opportunities. I open my heart and welcome all forms of wealth. I resonate with wealth. Wealth loves to come to me because it knows I will use it wisely. The universe guides me in various ways, leading me to wealth and opportunities. I trust my intuition. I believe in my talents. I am protected and loved. When opportunities arise, I do not need to fear. I can learn any skills and wisdom needed to create wealth. I am a financial expert. Managing money is very easy for me. I can wisely manage every bit of money. I resonate with wealth. Wealth continuously flows to me. Wealthy people are optimistic and kind. I am wealthy, and those around me are also wealthy. Being wealthy is very normal. Wealth is my life. I am wealthy. My family is wealthy. My friends are also wealthy. Being wealthy is the norm. I have all the resources and money I need. I can live comfortably every day. I am abundant and happy in money, body, and spirit. I am wealthy, truly wealthy. I am a wealthy person. A spiritually abundant person is also a wealthy person. I am that person, wealthy in spirit and material life. Wealth is everyone's birthright and also my birthright. I have enough money to realize my dreams. When I really want something to happen, the whole universe helps me. There is endless wealth in the world because this universe is infinite. All money and wealth are created. I am a divine creator. I can create the wealth I need. I am willing to break traditional limiting beliefs about money. When I realize a limiting belief, I replace it with another, more accurate thought. I view creating wealth with new thoughts. I will gain more knowledge needed to create wealth. I will use wisdom to treat and create wealth. There is no such thing as competition in the world. Everyone can have everything they need. Everyone deserves wealth. I do not need to compete with others for money. I believe in myself. I can use my own way to unleash my greatest potential to create my wealth. I grow every day in body, mind, spirit, wisdom, and finance. I know these affirmations are seeds that will bring me abundant wealth. I am the master of my destiny because my thoughts and beliefs are my destiny. I am very capable of managing money. I am a financial expert. I can manage large sums of money. I am the financial manager of my life. Opportunities are everywhere because I attract them like a magnet. I easily discover these opportunities. I can provide great value to others and society. In fact, just my existence itself is already very valuable. I am wealthy, truly wealthy. I am a wealthy person. I love myself and my life. I live a happy and abundant life every day. I have a great relationship with money. Money is my best friend. Money loves me and I love money. Money flows to me continuously because it knows I will use and manage it well. My income continues to increase. Yes, I attract money naturally. I am born to be a money magnet. Whatever I do, I will succeed. Good things happen to me one after another. I am getting more abundant, more prosperous, and wealthier. I am a wealthy person because I deserve it. I am smart, with limitless potential and charm. My talents are appreciated by everyone around me. I believe in my incredible power. I am wealthy. I am a wealthy person. Being wealthy is very normal. I have enough money every day to live a wonderful and comfortable life. My gratitude brings me close to the wealth of the universe. I am grateful for my beautiful life and wealth. I am a child of the universe, resonating with it. The universe is infinitely abundant, so I am infinitely abundant. I have enough time and money to do everything I want. I have enough money and time to realize all my dreams. I have nothing to worry about. I deserve a beautiful life. The more I become aware of abundant energy, the more I can attract abundance to me. Money comes to me easily because the feeling of abundance brings abundance. Money comes to me in large amounts. I am grateful for every bit of money that comes to me.